everybody, this is Jeff Janess. Welcome to our second lab exercise in cartography and symbology. In this lab we're going to see how we can quickly and easily change the properties of all the symbols being used in a layer. A common reason we might want to do this is if we want to erase the outlines for multiple polygon fill symbols so we can see the polygon colors easier. This kind of thing happens a lot. And in this lab exercise we're going to be using ArcGIS Pro version 3.3.1. Now, let's start up by loading up our feature class of United States counties. Now, this is the feature class named Census Counties located in your Class GIS Data folder, in the subfolder Additional Data inside a geodatabase named Additional FGDB. I've got our catalog view connected directly to the Class GIS Data folder, so I can go straight to the feature class and load it into the map. I'm going to add it into a brand new map. Now, notice our census polygons initially load up using the simplest symbology method, which is this single symbol type. All the county polygons look the same. Now, let's change this by opening up the Symbology tab and changing the primary symbology to graduated colors. I'm going to right-click on the layer, come down to Symbology, change the primary symbology. This icon should be active here. Primary symbology is graduated colors. Set the value field to median age. This is the median age in that county. That's right here. So shows the median age for all counties, gives an interesting visualization of the general age patterns across the United States. Now, please feel free to choose any color ramp you like, and however many classes you like. I'm going to go with the yellow, green, blue color ramp with 15 classes, just because I kind of like it. Now notice how we can see the general age distribution across the United States. And for those of you who are familiar with demographic patterns in the U.S., it's probably no surprise that southern Florida down here and central Arizona right through here tend to have an older population because those are just places where many people go to retire. I guess folks are just less interested in shoveling snow in their twilight years and they like to move someplace warmer. Now, anyway, the patterns are interesting, but notice that the outlines of the polygons are kind of distracting. Now, that's especially the case on the eastern United States, where the counties are smaller and the outlines become so dense it's sometimes difficult to even see the color of the polygon inside them. In this lab exercise, we'll see how to remove the outlines for all the 15 age classes that we have defined here. Now, if we wanted to, we could easily go to each of these 15 classes, just click on the polygon, come to the properties of this, and start changing the outlines individually. Just change the outline to 0 and that would make it go away. And that's fine as far as it goes, but we would like to see a way that we could do it to all 15 of them at the same time, because 15 is kind of a hassle. If you had 100, it'd just be a nightmare. So there is a way to do them all at once. Pretty easy. You just come to this more symbol here, come down to where it says format all symbols. Now we open up the symbology properties that's going to apply to every one of them. Just pop over to properties, come to this appearance thing. We're going to set the outline width to be 0. Hit OK. And it happens to all of them. Notice how this all changed automatically over here. Let's come back to the symbology pane here. And sure enough, all of the symbols are now symbolized without any outline. Makes it a lot easier to see the general age patterns, the age distributions across the country, and that's all there is to it. All right, so this wraps it up for our second lab exercise. Now, the next lab, we'll see how to create more complex multi-part polygon symbology using more advanced functions in the symbol formatting page. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching. Take care.